$1 million at 50. How far will it take you in retirement? Let's look at some of the numbers. So we've got a calculator. And this is a more simplified version, which looks at expected annual growth, starting investment amount, and you're withdrawing, but you continue to invest. You might need to break that up into different chunks and periods of your life if you so wish. And some contributions for another 5 years until you actually start withdrawing. Until you stop contributing, but you start withdrawing at the age of 50. Well, these are some of the numbers and how much you can withdraw, 5.78%. And if the markets do well, and if they don't do so well. Now, you might say, well, actually, wait a minute, I'm going to start at that age, but I'm not going to continue investing beyond a certain age, or I don't expect to live that long, or I expect a lower growth rate because I'm not investing in American stocks. I'm going to invest in boring UK ones, in which case you might as well halve that one. And there you go. You'll get a lot less. UK 5, America, let's just go with what it's done in the recent past and what UK's done in the recent past. So US investments, you'll get monthly income of 31,000. UK, recent past, you get 5,000. Entirely up to you which way you want to go with it. But anyway, the tool you can play around with, it's at campaignforamillion.com/tools. Enjoy. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.